Hi, I'm Karen. In this video today, I'm going to be doing something just a slight bit different, just a slight. I've done something similar like that on my channel a couple of times already. I'm going to be recreating a look that I just saw Sonjdra Deluxe create. And I don't know about y'all, but I've been watching her for a few years, and every time I watched her do an eye look, I'm always like, I picture in my head it looking like that, but it doesn't turn out that way. So today I'm actually going to try to recreate a look that she created, and I wanted to test out this Wet n Wild product while I was at it recreating this look. So let's jump into it. Now, if you don't follow Sondra Deluxe, you should. She's a makeup artist. I love her techniques. What she does is different. And that's what I love about watching other beauty influencers on YouTube is you take the nuggets from it and run with it and make it your own. And that's what we're doing today.
Hey everybody, it's Sondra Deluxe.
I'm gonna try to recreate this look. I'm gonna pause it. I watched the whole video already, but I watched it a couple of days ago when it first came out. So I hope I remember some of the steps. All right, so first off, I'm gonna start off with at least setting the top part of my brows. That's something I always, well, I need to put stuff on. I haven't put that on yet. Get it together. First, I'm going to prime my lids before we get started. I'm going to be using the e.l.f. color correcting stick in light skin tone. And I just love using this because one, it's easy to apply. And two, stuff sticks to it. So set it, I'm going to be using this color here, Fresh from e.l.f. Cosmetics in the Opposites Attract palette. There you go. Sweet. Done. Let's try to keep using this palette while we can. Gonna be going in with this Suave dupe brush. And I'm gonna mix a couple of colors here. I'm gonna mix this one. That's Spicy and Warm. And this is making a mustardy brown. That's actually pretty nice. Can't say it's the same color, but what I wanna do is recreate the shape. I'm like always obsessed with the shape of her eyes. Like, yeah, I know she has limited lid space, but the way she works with it anyway, like, yeah, it always impresses me, always. All right, same color. I'm just changing the brush to the firmer 201 brush. And I'm just flicking it so we can start creating that fade and that point that she always makes. Like, it just always looks so beautiful on her. So edgy. I think that's what it is. I just love her edgy style. And I'm just going in with the color Warm by itself now. And don't tug at your skin. I'm just like lightly brushing over it to try to create this shape. Go back to this brush. I'm gonna use Warm only. And I like using a brush like this because it just makes life easy, man. And it was funny watching her video, and that's what she said. And I was like, yes, because that's how I feel about it too. Love using wide brushes like that. It just makes it easier to create the shape of your socket. Firmer, spicy. And I'm just stapling it on this time instead of like trying to blend it. I don't know, just something about when you master that whole art of like stippling, it just looks better. Back to this brush, that first color. Back to the firmer, we're gonna go in with this black, Genuine. I'm gonna tell y'all something, this black is not a joke. Like, if you don't have a black that's black, like dark black, this palette got it. It's just, seriously. Matter of fact, let's go in with these two colors. I'm gonna use that to blend this edge out. All right, and then she said she used a teal color. I kind of wanted to mix two colors. I want to mix Wise and Enigma from the PROFUSION palette. Now, I probably should have went in with a black liner. That looks quite black. All right, I'm gonna go back into Warm, and I'm just lightly going over it because I don't want to bring it down or disturb the teal section. I just don't. All right, so I'm gonna be trying this new Milani Linked on Black. It's a crayon eyeliner. It says an eyeliner pencil, smooth glide on application, waterproof gel formula. Thought it sounded interesting, so I thought I'd give it a try since I was placing the order already. Oh wow, wow, this goes on pretty quick. Ooh. Oh. I'm going to come back to concealer under the eyes because I did have some fallout. I really didn't think the strategy through a little bit. Let's smoke out the bottom lash line with a brown color. I think that's what she used. I'm gonna go in with warm and I'm gonna staple it on first. And I'm using this polka dot brush from BH Cosmetics that has like been through it, but it's the bomb for putting on your lower lash line. It really fits right down in here. Oh, I almost forgot. And I'm literally just recreating from memory, but so far I want to say this thing goes on pigmented off the rip, like off the rip. That's awesome. Can't wait to see if it lasts long. That'll be cool to see. I hope it does. How about that? All right, let's, ooh, that's looking so dark. Saucy. Let's go in with saucy. Let's lighten this lower lash line up. That looks pretty dark. All right, so I'm trying to, let me see if I can fast forward through her video because I'm literally recreating from memory.
This for when I'm trying to pretend I'm not wearing makeup, just to swipe kind of all over.
All right, so she drew her thing on first with eyeshadow. But one thing I realized I did not do, see why you gotta follow these tutorials? Is she really like made that sharp, and I've already put down the bottom, so I'm like, But I'm gonna go on a little bit of teal and let's see how much can we make it appear sculpted. Bam. Oh man, yeah, because that's the thing about her. It's like, I don't want to say edgy, but her style is like a definitely like a splash dunk in the swimming pool of sultriness. You know, I'm just joining it just a little bit down here. That's what I'm doing. I'm not saying that's what she did. That looks better. That looks better already. It's still making me want to add some layers, like to blend it a little bit more, but well, maybe let's try blending this brow situation, this top, because I know I definitely see it on this one. There you go. This one, not so much. Dang. That's crazy. Like, can y'all see the difference? Wow.
Still catch a bunch of pigment with top. I just put a blob and then wiggle it out. I still get the glitteriness, and I don't take off any of the shadow we did underneath. You don't even have to do that of a job, even if you miss a spot or something. Then whatever's left over, center the nose.
All right, so I'm going to be going in with Chill from the Profusion palette. This is bright. All right, and then over the top of that, I'm going to be going in with this new Wet n Wild Jelly eyeshadow. Is the Mega Jelly eyeshadow. Yeah, I'm going to use this little nail art brush thingamajig. I hope it does me justice. I don't know. I think it probably could have went on without the eyeshadow, but then again, it's really going to have something to like cling to. I mean, it had the other eyeshadow, could have done that with, but you know, it's not a bad idea. Yeah, having that eyeshadow underneath definitely made a difference. I hope this idea works with this jelly eyeshadow. Yo, this thing is bright. Oh, let me swatch this particular color. So this is just me using this look to see how it does and then go from there. Yeah, so be expecting an actual review on this. I can imagine doing this same look and using like a different color. Browns, reds, burgundies. That'll be super, super pretty. Even like a blue and the gold, or I don't know about purple and gold. It would have to be like a purple and copper. I think that's too Christmassy. All right, let's see. No, I feel like an ornament. I feel like a Christmas ornament. No, you know what? I did say I wanted to wear something brown today. Hold on. Let's go with this one. Yeah, this is much more cool tone, kind of purplish almost looking. This is Hit Snooze from Almay. At least I would say Almay kind of stepped it up with like their packaging and just trying to look cute. But this one is Dope Taupe from Minted Cosmetics. Rimmel Lasting Finish Lip Liner in Cafe Au Lait. Let's see her, what we got. Okay, cool. Had to make sure it's still good. All right, I'm gonna be using the e.l.f. Naked Nude High Shine Liquid Lipstick. Lashes. Oh, I hope this, I believe it's dry. Lash Paradise Waterproof Mascara. I really just like how fragrant this is, especially on the eye area. Come on now. So why would you put, I don't know why I even ask these questions, because I know why. I'm just saying, like, for people like me who my eye waters up like crazy, is like, you really put that much fragrance in to mask that smell of whatever's in there. Like, I'm just, whatever. I probably should have did that first, like after I put on the eyeliner. I'm going to do just a little bit of concealer only because I had some of this dark eyeshadow fall on my foundation, because I decided to do my foundation first before my eyes, which I'm not really sure what I was thinking. I was just moving. back to my blush because you can literally like see like the line right there. Not the business. I want to wear earrings, maybe something. Yeah, this eye look is way too dressy for the way I'm dressed. let's just say that. All right, so this is the final look. I definitely want to say Sonjdra Deluxe, she knows her stuff. I definitely need to remember that whole tip with applying the eyeshadow first before applying like some kind of color eyeliner, or maybe even like applying the eyeshadow definitely before I use something like these right here. And these are from Wet n Wild. These are their liquid cat suits. Because they're kind of transparent, the eyeshadow will allow this to pop, but this will lock the eyeshadow in and stop it from moving around. So I'm gonna have to remember to try that tip out. And that was one of the main reasons for trying this, because I was like, ooh, I can test that out with this Wet n Wild. Hopefully that it will stay in place and not do anything crazy. And so far, like, this looks really, really good. It's extremely bold. That's what I was hoping for. And a lot of times I think when we get products, we need to think about how to like step outside the box and like do some just a little bit different with them. And this right here, when I saw this look on her, I was like, that's popping, because you got that major contrast. You got that dark teal, and then you have the really bright gold to like, they both like get to shine in their own rights. And that's why when I saw that, I was like, thank you, Sondra. I will be recreating that. Thank you. And that's how we ended up with this video today. Anyway, that is it for this look. I hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial, and go check her out. If you haven't followed her, she always has a fun way of playing with color. It may look crazy as far as the placement, but honestly, it's not. It's pretty simple and to the point, and I love that. Like, I love that a lot about her eye look. Anyway, that's it for this video. If you enjoyed it and you're not subscribed to my channel, why not go ahead and subscribe? You can do so by clicking the button down below, hitting the little notification bell, so whenever I upload a video, you'll be one of the first people to know. Anyway, thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll talk to y'all soon. Bye.